serving face affordable luxury who? A lot of beauty gurus would be like,
oh my gosh, this $5 million mascara is so amazing. It gives you so much longevity. It gives you so much length and so much volume.
And then they pop on fake lashes. Like, why? How am I going to tell if it's good or not? Like, I don't understand. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm AmorAntasia, and today's video is going to be one of the throwback types of videos that I used to do. This is going to be a full face of all affordable / drugstore makeup products, and I'm going to be featuring some products from NYX. So shout out to them for sending me some products and partnering with me to make this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you are living for this fall face, and if you're excited for me to do more beauty videos, go ahead and thumbs up if you like to see more makeup types of videos. So it's an affordable favorite go-to in comparison to like $80 foundations. I'm gonna just do 4 dots. Now I'm gonna do concealer. Doing a concealer from Too Faced, Born This Way. But I love that this concealer doesn't have like toxic chemicals in it, and it's full coverage. So, and this is not even to highlight, this is just to cover my bags up. If I wanted to highlight, I'd use a different color. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh my gosh, you're not highlighting and all of that. But I promise you, the look is going to come together very natural, very naturally. One of the most affordable favorite staple products, the Black Opal Deluxe Setting Powder. I've been using this for at least 7 years now on my channel. You don't have to have the, what is it? I don't even know the most popular ones. Banana powders and all of that. You don't even have to bake. You just make sure it's on a damp sponge to avoid that like powdery look, and just simply set where you just put your concealers. So I'm gonna use, this is out of order for some people, but what I do to set my face first to get like a glowy look, but to definitely set it without making it look powdery, I use a good setting spray. So this is the matte finish long-lasting spray. It's a setting spray. And so it's at all of your stores, like your drugstores like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, or NYX.com, and they probably have a coupon code. And you can check the description box for my code as well. Now this is going to give me that glowy look, but matte. It's gonna mattify my face, because I don't want it to look like an oil spill, but I do want to have like a glow. So I'm just gonna set it for now. And all it does is it compacts all of the layers of makeup, the 3 layers that I just basically put on my face, into one smooth layer. So that's what I'm here for. You have the travel. This is definitely the travel. And then this is one for like the purse if you're not traveling. But these are both best for, you know, when you're on the go and your face is oily, if you have combination oily skin like myself, or if you teach like myself for 8 hours a day, or if you're working 8 hours a day, your face is going to probably get oily. And so a quick few sprays, and then, you know, maybe like using your brush to blot out the excess oils will leave your face feeling fresh and looking fresh and matte. You know, you don't want to be oily throughout the day, so these are key for that. Now we're gonna move on to eyebrows. Now this is the part where I have to overly hype up NYX, because this was the first product that I used. This was the dupe for the most popular eyebrow dip pomade, but this one is the Tame and Frame, and this is my second one that I've had to go through like this year. Like, you can see, this is the go-to. However, mine did not come with a spoolie brush, and they decided to send me their new Fill and Fluff Eyebrow 2-in-1 brush and pencil. And these are the different colors that they come in. These are the colors. They have taupe for the more brownish to blonde, like light brows, and then brunette, which is like a brown, like a true brown. Then they have espresso, which is my shade color, That's always been my shade, even in the Tam frame. And then they have the jet black. So let's brush these up first. I always try to brush my original eyebrows up to, you know, the arch that I want them to be in. Sometimes I like them extra arched, sometimes I don't. I need to get a signature style so I won't have to keep going back and forth. But I just brush them up and then to the sides. So we're gonna use the angle brush. And I always outline it first. Ooh, this has pigment. It does have pigment, but not too much. But one thing about it, if you do use too much, you can always clean it up at the end. This is the perfect color for my brows because my natural hair is dark. Like, it's not brown at all. It's like 1B. It's between 1 and 1B. So I like for my brows to be like really nice and black. Not jet black, but like, you know, black. This is not where I'm gonna like completely do the gradient. I'm just gonna brush it like the other half, the second part of it, up this way. Just to get that product around. So since I have it like this, what I do is I go ahead and brush it. Be messy, and I get it towards the middle of my eyebrows. Not middle, but the middle of, like, towards my nose. And then I pull it back. Up and back. Just back and forth. Back and forth. And back and forth. Like that. So I get that desired gradient. But I like so much how this brush keeps the product together. Instead of just like, you know, being sloppy like a spoolie sometimes. My brows are popping. I think they look good. This one might be a little, they're not supposed to be twin sisters, but more just like cousins. I'll just say first cousins. Maybe sometimes second cousins. You know, sometimes your second cousins can look like you too. So that's that. Okay, they look really good and natural. They match my hairline. I'm here for it. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using the $10 highlighter. I also have a video of like the best top highlighters for women of color, so you can check those videos out when I used to do those best of videos. But this one is really pretty gold and it's only $10. And I go in circular motions because you don't want that straight line on your face. So I'm going to be using the Juvia's palette, and I'm just going to be using this orange color. So next I'm going to use any kind of brown from any drugstore palette. NYX has the best palettes, the best eyeshadow palettes. I've done several looks with their palettes, so use any brown from any of their palettes. Just place it right in the corner. And then blend all of that together. So one of the best drugstore mascaras is the Essence False Lashes Mascara. It's amazing. Like, it does well by itself. It makes it look like you have total false lashes. So this is my favorite. This is the best dupe for Chestnut and the most popular luxury brand that you guys love. I think it's actually, yeah, Chestnut, because I had the other dupe for Cork, but I like Chestnut better. So this is Espresso from NYX. And it's a true brown. It's like a lip gloss, and it's only like $8. Now this is definitely for pictures, because in real life, I like my natural lashes with the mascara. I don't understand why people buy mascara just to put on fake lashes. Like, I understand for your bottom lashes, but if you're, a lot of beauty gurus would be like, oh my gosh, this $5 million mascara is so amazing. It gives you so much longevity. It gives you so much length and so much volume. And then they pop on fake lashes. Like, why? How am I gonna tell if it's good or not? Like, I don't understand. So this is the final look. I did not contour. I did not highlight. I look like myself. I did not transform into another person. I just transformed into the best version of me. I accentuated my beauty and my features, my cheekbones. These are mine. And these are mine. And shout outs to NYX for partnering with me again to make this video. Please comment below if you have any suggestions of products that you'd like to see me use, or that you use that are amazingly affordable. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!